Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss about the parts of flower. First of all, we see the ovary. Ovary is the most important reproductive part of flower. Second is the ovule. Ovary contains ovules which develop into seeds upon fertilizations. Third is the style. It is a tube-like structure in which connects the stigma and ovary. Stigma, the parts of the pistils where pollen germinates. Anther, the part of a stamen where pollen is produced. Filaments, perform is to carry the nutrient to an anther for development of the anther and pollen grains. Petals, the rule of a petals attract the pollinators. Sepals, the rule of a sepal is encloses and protect the developing reproductive structures. Receptacle, the parts of a flower's stalk where the parts of the flowers are attached. Thanks for watching.